video, we will learn about movements of the earth, especially the movement of earth on its axis, that is rotation. Before we start learning about movement of the earth on its axis, let's learn about the sun. Sun is the center of the solar system. It is a huge ball of hot and burning gases. Hydrogen and helium are the main gases present in the sun. Hydrogen gets converted into helium all the time, and in this process, tremendous amount of heat given out. It is nearest star to the earth. It is almost 1,000,000 times larger than the earth. The surface temperature of the sun is about 5,800 degrees Celsius, and sun is the largest celestial body in the solar system. Importance of the sun. Sun is very important for the survival of all living beings on the earth, as it is the greatest source of energy. It gives energy to growing green plants, and plants provide food and oxygen for life on earth. Seasons are also caused by tilt of earth axis towards sun. Sun warms our seas, stirs our atmosphere. Do you know? Earth is always in motion. Every day we notice that the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. We are always conscious of movement of the sun, but very little realizes that the earth on which we live is constantly in motion. When the sun disappears, we say that sun sets, while when it emerges, we say that sun rises. We are not the least aware that the sun, in actual, does not rise or set. In fact, the sun is stationary. The earth is moving constantly, right? To understand this concept, think of riding in a car on highway. Pretend you're sitting very still. You don't feel like you're moving. You don't even seem to be moving. Traveling on the earth is like that. Okay? So let's learn about the earth's movement. Earth continuously spins on its axis. What is an axis? Axis is an imaginary line going right through the center of the earth from top to bottom. The earth rotates on its axis. Rotates means to turn. So earth turns around the slightly tilted imaginary line that is called its axis. Do you know how long does it take to complete one turn? It takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. Think about for a moment. 24 hours means one complete day. Day plus night together lasts for 24 hours. Earth is tilted on its axis at 23.5 degrees, and earth rotates from west to east. Day and night. See, occurrence of day and night is a continuous process. The sun is the only source of light and heat on the earth. Since the earth is spherical in shape, only that half of its surface which facing the sun will be lit up by the sun's rays. The portion of the earth facing the sun experiences day. In contrast, the other half away from the sun experiences night. Thus, rotation gives us the periods of heat and light as well as darkness, that is, day and night. Now, we can imagine the importance of rotation of the earth on its axis. But have you ever thought what would happen if the earth wouldn't spin on its axis? In that case, one part of the earth would face darkness and other will remain in light. The sun facing part of the earth would always experience day and resulted in heat throughout the year, while other half would remain in darkness and be freezing cold all the time. Life would have been impossible on the earth in such extreme conditions, right? Fantastic. The earth rotates around its axis at the rate of 1000 miles per hour. It completes one rotation in 24 hours. From the North Pole, it appears that Earth moves counterclockwise. From the South Pole, it seems that the Earth spins clockwise. Thank you.